Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to encourage you guys, if you can't get it to make, then make it make. So we're going to show you guys a couple things that we've been sewing lately. How about the blanket? Thank you. Oh my gosh, let me tell you, we've made the most beautiful blankets. I don't know, when I have a blanket, I want to be smothered in it. I want to wrap myself like a burrito and just chill in it. So I made sure that when I made the blanket, it was really big, and I made a ton of these. So if you guys want to see a video on that, I can show you how to do that, because I kind of feel like I've mastered this skill with the blankets. We've also made ear warmers. These are great.
I can put one on because your hair is...
Yeah, that's okay. You could do that, yeah. Do you want to show them the stuffed animal we made?
Oh, yeah.
Real quick? Go ahead and grab that. This was a tough pattern. I mean, for like really not sewing, I mean, I just kind of learned with sewing that everything you sew is inside out. So this was definitely a challenging one to make. I think it turned out pretty well, right? Yeah. For the first time, you know. But what we are going to be making today are sweatpants. I'm gonna kind of come back here and see if you guys could see these. Okay, I love these sweatpants because they have the elastic band, super comfy, and they have pockets on each side, and you can choose the material. This material is just so super soft. So we're gonna do this today with a pattern here. Now, here's the thing. My daughter has made these pants. You wanna show them your pants?
Oh, I'm too short. Here's my pants.
She's made these before with her teacher. I have never made them before, so it'll be very interesting to see how this turns out. I hope.
The hardest part of my sewing journey is learning how to work with patterns, which I have to confess has been really agonizing for me. I mean, trying to envision the fabrics right side out while sewing inside out is challenging. I mean, it would be more helpful to learn how to read a pattern better, but it's kind of confusing. However, I am still trying and am very eager to learn. Trying to figure out the pockets to this pattern was really tricky. I spent a couple of hours, and yes, I mean hours, trying to understand it.
All right, let's see if these turned out as far as like the pattern goes. I don't know if I have this right. Okay, I think I do. So here are the pockets that they'll be sewed up top, and then when we turn it inside out. Okay, I think I actually did this right. I was so nervous.
I was so pleasantly pleased how well the pants turned out that I decided to make us all a pair. I can't tell you how heartwarming it is to see my family use and wear the things that I've made. Sewing to me is such an invaluable skill to have, and learning it has opened up a whole new world of creative independence.